Quick hit recap. All right, on the jerseys. Oh, that was you that got the 11. Nice, man. You're on fire for those points then. Number to 599, Austin Seferian-Jenkins. Teddy Bridgewater. Taj Boyd. Terrence West. Number to 299, Marquise Lee. Number to 99, Paul Richardson. And number 20 of 49 with the 4-color, Allen Robinson. We got Certified Materials. Over to the Browns, Ozzie Newsome, number to 499. Also to 499, Warren Moon. That'll go to the Titans. And number to 199, Jimmy Graham. Goes to the Saints. And one Fabrics of the Game. The Dirty Patch, 21 of 49, Eddie Royal. Autos. We have Certified Potential. Number to 399, Darqueze Dennard. Get used to hearing that name. Number to 149, Darqueze Dennard. Number 11 of 25, Cody Latimer with the gold. We have on the Next Generation Autos, number to 99, Darqueze Dennard. And number to 49, Allen Robinson. We got some gold cards here. These are all numbered to 25. Number 24 of 25, Tavon Austin. Number 2 of 25, Rashid Hageman. 4 of 25, Michael Crabtree. 3 of 25, Andy Dalton. And 25 of 25, Peyton Manning. Okay, Freshman Fabrics. Freshman Fabrics. Oops. Are these in order? Okay, number 2, 699, Kadeem Carey. And Jarvis Landry. Number to 249, Logan Thomas. Number to 99, Paul Richardson. Allen Robinson. And Connor Shaw. And we had one big boom of the break. One big boom. This one's going to the Denver Broncos with the Camouflage 1 of 1. Camouflage 1 of 1. DeMarcus Ware. That's no eBay 1 of 1. That's the real deal. Come on, focus. Well, this is going to drive me nuts. There it goes. See if we can see that 1 of 1. There it is. 1 of 1. There you go. And then we had the 500 points we're giving away to Jared0613. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Make sure you come back for more breaks later in the week. Tomorrow night we have Sterling Football, Supreme Baseball. Friday night we got Absolute Football, Select Football. And then we give away that Winston jersey here at KelsCards.com and Breakers.tv/KelsCards. Thank you.